Hello guys, today in this video we are going to talk about happen.co.uk weight loss treatment or weight loss program. Okay, so you should take this program or not. Does it really work? Is the treatment if you take will give you long lasting result or what? Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand, happen.co.uk is a very popular brand, and they are providing you weight loss solutions. And in the market there are hundreds of brand, they are providing same kind of treatment and same kind of medication you will get. Like the common medication is trizeptide and semaglutide. And one thing I want to clear you, when you take semaglutide or trizeptide, it will give you results, but when you stop taking these drugs or these medications, you will lose your all the results. We can say after a period of time, you will in the initial phase of your life, okay, we can say you will lose your most of the results when you take this kind of treatment. When you achieve results, you will lose your all the results, because weight loss is not a, you can say, like a medication journey. It's all about your diet, it's all about your lifestyle, it's all about your daily lifestyle. Okay, so better thing you can do, if you really want to take this kind of treatment, you should be very disciplined in your life and you should be very careful in your life while you can say like using any kind of diet, while taking any kind of diet or supplement and all. Okay, so there are lots of factors depends on your weight loss journey. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about how it will work, so basically it will work very simply. Like they will provide you this kind of solutions and you just need to simply take it and you can achieve the results. Okay, so yes, definitely you will get results, but we can say like results are temporary, and when you stop taking it, you will lose your all the, you can say, like results. Okay, so expensive results also, like when you take any kind of treatment, any kind of treatment related to weight loss, all are very expensive. And if you have so much money, then you can invest your money and you can choose some other brands also, but this brand is also good. They have approx, you can say like 1000 reviews on Trustpilot, and some reviews are really good, so you can choose anyone. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.